Hello guys! Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to get free unlimited in-game currencies in this game. See, I don't have that much resources right now, but that's gonna change very soon. First thing that we need to do is to type this link in our browser. That is going to take us to this website. Now we have to type our username for the game. Gmail or iCloud mail addresses will work too. Now just choose the platform that you're playing the game on. Since I'm playing on Android, I'm going to choose Android here. Nice! My account is connected. Now we need to choose the amount and tap on Generate. It seems like I am going to have to verify that I am human and I am not here to abuse the tool. Makes sense since people are probably spamming the site a lot. It's really easy, and I'm going to show you how we can get it done. To verify, we have to download 2 apps from here and follow the instructions in the app description. Apps available for you might be different based on your location. Okay, first let's choose Lord's Mobile. The description says that we just have to download and run it for 30 seconds. Let's download it. Open the game. Let's play it for a minute or two. First one done. Now let's get to the second app. Its description says that we have to install the Hotspot Shield app and click Connect after running it. Sounds easy. Let's do it. Open the app. Give it the needed access and tap on Connect. Verification should be done now. Let's open our game and check if it worked. And it worked! Awesome! Alright guys, if you really liked my content, please leave a like and share it with your friends. Subscribe for more videos like this. If you have any questions or requests regarding any other game, don't hesitate to let me know. Enjoy!